So welcome back. Part 2 of the engine rebuild. It's taken a little while because I've been messing about with veteran cars, trying to get them to go around Silverstone. But I think it's about time we got the engine together, don't you? So come on, let's go. What can it be? But now's the time to put this back together. I've cleaned out all the oil waves. I've cleaned up all the crank and all the oil waves and everything. All the parts are all laid out here and cleaned up now. So now's the time to actually just start assembling. And that's it. I'm not an engine builder per se. It's just I've just put a few engines together, but every engine, doesn't matter whether it's a tractor engine, a race engine, or anything. The key to it all is to keep everything clean, and that's what we tried to do now. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to assemble the engine without saying anything, and yeah, just we'll see how we get on. So it's now Saturday afternoon. I've just come out to try and get these pesky clips in. I gave up last time. They were just annoying me so much. It was taking too long. So I went and had a little look on YouTube to see if I could find a way of getting them in, and yeah, I think I've managed to get them to go in now. So there we go, that's it for tonight. The pistons are installed. Did a lot more than I thought I was going to, because I was only coming out to try and get those pesky clips in the end of the gudgeon pins in the pistons. I gave up last time because they were just annoying me, but they actually went quicker than I thought. So at least we've got the pistons installed, bottom end's all torqued up. Next time we'll carry on building the bottom end and timing the cam, and yeah, we're getting there. So thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, and see you next time. And remember, how hard can it be?